Ever been in a rush to access a website and faced this dreaded error message? Frustrating, isn't it?
When a website is down, its server isn't responding to user requests. This could be due to server overload, scheduled maintenance, or even a cyber attack like DDoS. Common signs of downtime include endless loading screens, 404 errors, or timeout messages. But how can you confirm if it's down for everyone or just you? Tools like UpToVol is your best friends. Just type the URL and they'll tell you if it's a global issue. If it's just you, try clearing your browser cache, switching devices, or even running a ping test. Want to prevent downtime for your own website? Use uptime monitoring tools, load balancing. With these tips, you'll know exactly how to handle website downtime like a pro. Stay ahead in the digital world.